Bujumbura, a city many people think they understand, yet very few have truly seen. Today, I invite you to a journey through the heart of Burundi. A journey that will open your mind, surprise your expectations, and show you a side of Africa that the world rarely sees. From the giant shores of the legendary Lake Tanganyika to the energetic streets filled with life, color, and movement, Bujumbura stands as a city full of beauty, history, and hope. Over the next 40 minutes, I will take you through its street, its market, its culture, and its future, and with a very step and a very drone shot. I believe you will discover something extraordinary. I'm Marius traveler, and this is Bujumbura in 2025. Real, raw, beautiful, and unforgettable. Bujumbura, Egypt, in perfect harmony with the waters of Lake Tanganyika, one of the oldest and deepest lakes on earth. Every morning, as the sun rays gentle above the hills, the lake becomes a giant mirror glowing with gold. Fishermen prepare their boats, beats fill the sky with song, and the soft rhythm of the waves creates a peace music that becomes the new day. For the people of Bujumbura, the lake is more than just a natural wonder. It is life itself. It provides food, business, transportation, and the core breeze that surround the city's warm afternoons. Standing by its shore, watching the endless horizon, you feel something powerful, something ancient. It reminds you that this city has a deep sorrow, and that sorrow begins here where water and life meet. A story people don't expect. Around the world, Africa is often misunderstood. Many people imagine a continent filled only with poverty, distraction, and struggle. But when you walk through Bujumbura, you quickly realize how wrong those ideas are. The streets are filled with movement, bicycles passing by, motorcycles humming, people going to work, children walking to school, farmers arranging their goods, and taxis transporting passengers through clean, organized avenues. The city breathes with energy. Neighborhoods like Rohero, Kinindo, and Kilidi show a peaceful modern side of Burundi that the world really sees. Roads are expanding, businesses are growing, and people are working hard every single day. Life here is joyful and warm, and everyone you meet greets you with a smile that makes you feel instantly welcome. Bujumbura is not the Africa they show on TV. It is the Africa you discover only by being here. When you rise above Bujumbura with a drone, the city transforms into a breathtaking landscape. From the sky, you see long grid of white lords, the shining roofs of houses, the modern lawn boats, the green paths, the busy market, and the peaceful lake stretching toward the horizon. You notice how the hills stand around the city like natural gardens, offering one of the most beautiful urban views in East Africa. The drone passes over Kididi with its magic homes, gardens above, the heart of the city, where breathing stands tall, drifts across the rivery neighborhoods where life never stops. From the air, Bujumbura looks calm, well structured, and full of potential. Every year, new officer, new hotels, new restaurants, and new residential buildings appear, clear signals of city moving forward. The skyline may not be the tallest in Africa, but the beautiful Bujumbura is natural, authentic, and unforgettable. The people of Bujumbura. What truly makes Bujumbura special is not the buildings or the lake, it is the people. Burundians are known across the world for their kindness, their respect, and their gentle hearts. In Bujumbura, strangers greet each other in the street as if they have known each other for years. Neighborhoods share food with each other, children play with complete freedom, and the families gather in the evening to laugh, talk, and enjoy life. Hard work is part of the culture here. Every morning, the city wakes up area as men and women start their businesses, open shop, selling on the road, or head to officer and construction sites. The people of Bujumbura carry spirit of determination and hope that gives this city its emotional strength. Even in difficult times, the unity here is strong. The smiles are real, the warmth is natural, and the humanity is deep. If you want to understand Bujumbura, look at its people. They are the heart of the city. Market full of life. One of the greatest experiences in Bujumbura is visiting its markets, because this is where the heartbeat of the city becomes round and clear. Markets like Duvumera Buyenzi and Jabe are full of colors, sounds, and smiles that bring the city to life. Here, fresh vegetables are arranged near on wood tables. Species raise rich almonds into the air. Traders work on the sewing machines, and sellers go out to customers with friendly humor. We found handmade craft, shoes, clothes, fruit, charcoal fish tours, everything you can imagine. The atmosphere is loud, exacting, and full of humanity. But what makes those markets truly special is not just the product, it is the spirit of community. People talk, love, negotiate, and help one another. Every seller has a story, every corner has a living energy, and every moment feels like a celebration of their life. The market of Bujumbura are not simply places to buy food. They are places where culture lives. Street food adventures in Bujumbura. Bujumbura's street food is one of the city's greatest attraction, and once you taste it, you will understand why. Those smell of great goat brushed fills the evening air as smile. Restaurant cook meat over open fire, rising and delicious aroma that makes you hungry immediately. Fish fresh, catch from Lake Tanganyika, is cooked with spears that give it rich, unforgettable flavor. Street vendors prepare hot chapati, crush sambusa, fried potatoes, boiled maize, and many other traditional snacks that reflect that creativity of Burundian cuisine. People gather around local food, point not only to eat, but to talk, laugh, and enjoy time together. Street food here is more than food. It's a culture. It brings people together and offers visitors and chance to taste a piece of Burundian life that is real, simple, and full of fervor. When night begins to fall over Bujumbura, the city changed into something magical. The lights along the lake reflect on the water, creating a soft glow that makes the shoreline look like a painting. Restaurants and nightclubs began to open their doors, playing music that range from local rhythm to international hits. People gather to dance, relax, and enjoy peaceful evenings. Under star, families take walks by the beach. Couples sit on the sand listening to the waves, and the groups of friends meet to share drinks and laughter. Nightlife in Bujumbura is safe, welcoming, and full of joy. The lake breeze cools the warm night air, creating the perfect environment for a beautiful evening. Whether you are dancing in a club, listening to live music, or simply watching the reflections on the water, the nights in Bujumbura offer a unique experience that stays in your memory. The hills of Bujumbura surrounding the city are green, peaceful hills that rise gently from the ground and create one of Bujumbura's most iconic landscape. When you drive or fly a drone toward Kiriri, Kigobe, or the high parts overlooking the city, you are greeted with fresh air and a panoramic view that is truly breathtaking. From the top of the hills, you can see everything the coastline of Lake Tanganyika. The boring city, right? The long laws, the busy lounge boats, and the neighborhoods full of life. The hills offer quiet moments of reflection and space where the city felt peaceful and far away. They show the natural beauty that's surrounding Bujumbura and make you realize how special this location truly is. A city between mountains and water, between natural and modern life, between peaceful and energy. A future full of hope. Bujumbura is growing. Everywhere you look, you see signals of development. New hotels rise from the ground, new roads connect neighborhoods, new business open their door, and a new project began every year. Young people are especially driving this progress. With education, creativity, and ambition, they are building a modern future for the city. Startups, digital businesses, innovating farming techniques, tourism initiative, and culture projects are increasing. The spirit of entrepreneurship is alive and strong. Schools, universities, and training centers are shaping the next generation of leaders. Bujumbura is not stuck in the past. It is moving forward with hope. And the world will soon recognize it is one of the most promising smaller cities in Africa. The future here is bright because the people believe in it. The real story of Burundi. If you visit Bujumbura today, you will discover something completely different from what the world imagined. You will see calm streets, hardworking people, green landscape, green beaches, peaceful neighborhoods, and a city that is growing year after year. Burundi is not the story of crisis that the media often tells. It is a story of resilience, unity, strength, and beauty. This country has faced challenges, yes, but it has never lost its heart. The true story of Burundi is written by its famous, its fishermen, its entrepreneurs, its youth, its mothers, its artists, and every person who wakes up with hope. And the Bujumbura is the window through which the world can see that story. A story of peace, a story of repeat, a story of pride. Sunset over the lake. As the sun sets over Lake Tanganyika, the sky glows with shades of orange, blue, and purple, creating a perfect ending to the day. Standing here, watching the waves slowly touch the shore, you feel how gentle and powerful this city truly is. Bujumbura is not wrong. It is not pretending. It is real. It is a human. It is beautiful in its own natural way. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the heart of my city. I hope this documentary has opened your eyes and touched your heart. I'm Marius Traveler, and I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Marius Traveler. Share this video with the world and continue exploring the truly beautiful Africa with me. This is Bujumbura. This is Burundi. This is home.